Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to tell you optimization meta tag. What is optimization meta tag? Optimization meta tags refer to straight graphed pieces of HTML code that provide concise information about the web page to search engines. These tags to search engines. These tags are crucial for search optimization SEO as they influence how a page is displayed on search engines result page and impact click-through rates. The main meta tags include the title tags, meta tag, and meta descriptions and other optimization tags that can enhance SEO and user experience. The next is title tag. What is title tag? The title tag is a critical element that defines the title of the web page. It appears as a clickable headline on search engine result. An optimized title tag is typically 50 to 60 character long, include relevant keywords, and it's graphed by complaining and inductive to the page content. HTML title optimization meta tags for SEO, your brand names and title. The next is meta description. What is meta description? Okay, I explain. The meta description provide a brief summary of the page content. It appears below the title on search result. An optimized meta description is around 150 to 160 characters, includes important keywords and encourage users to click through. Examples: HTML meta name is equals to descriptions. Content is equals to explore the importance of optimization meta tags for SEO. Learn how to craft effective title tags and meta description for better search visibility. Okay, it is called meta description. The next is meta keywords. What is meta keywords? Okay, while less impactful today, meta keywords are optional tags that use to list relevant keywords. Some search engines may still consider them keyword that separate by commas. Okay, for example, HTML meta name is equals to keyword, content is equals to optimized meta tags, SEO search optimization title tags, meta description. This is called meta keyword. Optional. Okay, the next is viewport meta tag for responsible design. What is responsible design? The viewport meta tag is initial for responsive web design. It ensures proper scaling on different devices, important for mobile friendly website. HTML meta name is equals to viewpoints, content is equals to width is equals to device minus width, initial minus scales 1.0. This is called viewport meta tag for responsive design. The next is concurrent tag. It is used to specify the performed version to the web page, particularly when there are duplicate content issue. It helps search engines understand which URL should be considered the primary source. HTML link rel is equals to concatenate have www.yourwebsite.com preferred page. The next is robot meta tag. What is robot meta tag? The robots meta tag controls search, crawling and indexing behavior Option include index to allow indexing, follow to allow the following, link to prevent indexings, and no follow to prevent following links. Meta name is equals to reports, content is equals to index follow. The next part is open graph meta tags for social media. For social media, I can explain open graph meta tags enhance how content appears when shared on social media platform like Facebook. Include tag for title, descriptions, image and URL. HTML meta property is equals to OG title, content is equals to optimize meta tag for SEO. Your brand name meta property is equals to OG descriptions, content is equals to explore the importance of optimization meta tag for SEO. Learn how to craft effective title tags and meta description for better search engines visibility. The next is meta probability. OG is equals to image, content is equals to www.yourwebsite.com, image JPG. Meta property is equals to content www.yourwebsite.com. The next is optimizing these meta tag is a fundamental part of the comprehensive SEO strategy, as they contribute to improve search engines ranking and better user engagements by providing clear and indicating information about a web page. So that's the topic. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.